Hey guys, happy crazy week. I hope everybody is safe, whether you decided to stay at the dorm or go home. So I just wanted to jump on really fast and kind of give you an idea of what classes or lecture will look like for the next couple weeks at least. So we are going to be doing Unit 3. The remainder of Unit 3 covers chapters 4 and 5. So what I expect, each week you will have a discussion board. On your discussion board, you will respond to a prompt. It must be at least one paragraph, and I want like a good paragraph. So with some actual information pertaining to the prompt, you must cite your textbook at least one time. You will then respond to 2 of your peers. For some of them, you are all assigned the same question. For some of them, you are assigned different questions. So for unit or chapter number 4, you are assigned questions, so make certain you check on that. For chapter 5, you are all answering the same question. You will have a small weekly assignment for most weeks. They will be the continuation of your job analysis. They will not be huge, but make certain to ask me any questions that you have about those. If they are larger, then we will either not have a discussion board or it will be smaller. Number one thing is communication. And so when you watch this, first thing I want you to do is pause it right now. Actually, pause it right after I give you these instructions. The instructions are for you to text me your preferred method of communication, whether it is email or text. Those are really probably your only 2 choices. My number is 540-238-7254. Text me which way you prefer. I need to have at least 2 to 3 communications with everybody throughout each week. All right, so that's your first assignment. Any questions that you have, attach them onto that text, or you can email me. I will do my best to answer them. Things are like, I'm kind of making them up as I go along. I'm trying to change the assignments so that everything kind of all works together. This is how you will probably get most of your lectures. Me sitting up here in my office at my house. I will try to make them super short, like 5 minutes, discuss what you need to know. I will tell you specifically what you need to be reading so that you're not reading like an entire chapter and you only needed 1 paragraph, right? So make certain each time I post one of these to check it. Check the discussion board. You will find that under communication. I don't know, maybe some of you have never even had to use it because all your classes have been face-to-face. On Brightspace under communication, you will see discussion boards. That is where you need to go to answer them each week. Any questions you have, please reach out. Any problems that you have, please reach out. And hopefully I'll see you guys in a couple weeks. All right, bye.